Welcome to Math Contest Drills for Filipino Kids. This time, let us have the solution to MMC 2019 Elimination Round for Grade 6. This is part 1 of 2 parts. Let us begin with question number 1. Calculate 81 divided by 15 times 14 divided by 27 times 5 divided by 7. For our suggested solution, let us rewrite the given information with each division as a fraction. So 81 over 15 times 14 over 27 times 5 over 7. So we can use cancellation method for each numerator and denominator with common factors. 81 over 27 is 3 over 1. 15 and 5 can be divided by 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 14 over 7 is 2 over 1. Hence, we have 3 times 2 times 1, that is 6. And then 3 times 1 times 1, that is 3. Final answer is equal to 2. Question number 2. Calculate 16 times 4 times 8 times 125 divided by 1000. Again, let us write this as fraction, doing the multiplication first before division. So that is 16 times 4 times 8 times 125. And the answer divided by 1000. 8 times 125 is 1000, so that is 1000 over 1000 equal to 1. Hence, we have 16 times 4 over 1, and that is equal to 64. Question number 3. What is the sum of 48 hundredths, 10 and 2 tenths, 3 hundredths, and 8? Adding decimal numbers, we put the decimal in column and then add. So we have 48 hundredths plus 10 and 2 tenths plus 3 hundredths and then plus 8. Adding, we have 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry 1, we have 1 plus 4 plus 2, 7. So the final answer is 18 and 71 hundredths, or 18.71. Number 4, what is the quotient when 1 tenth is divided by 2 hundredths? Let us rewrite the given information as fraction. So we have 1 tenth over 2 hundredths. To get rid of the decimal point, let us multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. So that we have 1 tenth times 100 is equal to 10. 2 hundredths times 100 is equal to 2. Therefore, the final answer is 5. Question number 5. What is the product? 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.2. Multiplying decimal, we have 2 times 2 times 2. That is equal to 8. And we have 3 decimal places in all. So, our final answer is 8 thousandths. Number 6. What is the value of 1000% of 2? 1000% times 2. Let us change, or let us convert percent to decimal. That is to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Therefore, we have 10 times 2. Final answer is 20. Question number 7. What is the answer to 10 over 1 tenth minus 10? For our suggested solution, let us rewrite 1 tenth in the denominator as a fraction. So we have 10 over 1 tenth minus 10. In the first term, multiplying 10 by the reciprocal of 1 tenth, that will be 10 times 10 over 1 minus 10. So we have 100 minus 10. Final answer is 90. Question number 8. Which is the closest approximation to 435 thousandths divided by 821 10,000ths? A. 2 hundredths, B. 2 tenths, C. 5 tenths, D. 5, E. 50. For our suggested solution, let us rewrite the given information. So we have 435 thousandths divided by 821 10,000ths. Approximating the quotient, we have 0.4 divided by 0.08, or 4 tenths divided by 8 hundredths, and that is equal to 5. Therefore, the closest approximation is letter D, 5. Question number 9. If m equals 1 and n equals 5, which expression has the greatest value? Letter A, m plus n. Letter B, m over n. Letter C, n minus m. Letter D, m times n. And E, m minus n. From the given information, m plus n is equal to 6. M over n is equal to 1/5. N minus m is equal to 4. M times n is equal to 5. And m minus n is equal to negative 4. Therefore, the greatest value is letter A, m plus n. Number 10. In 8 years, Claire will be 3 times her current age. In how many years will she be 20 years old? Let us use the block method for our suggested solution. So we let one block, represented by a square, as Claire's present age. From the given information, it would take 8 years. So we have one block plus A to have 3 times Claire's age. So that will be equal to 3 of these blocks. Now let us take away one block from each side of this equation, so that we have A is equal to 2 of these blocks. Hence, one block is equivalent to 4 years. And if one block represents Claire's age, Claire's present age is 4 years, and in 16 years, she will be 20 years old. The answer is 16 years. Number 11. If today is Thursday, what day of the week will it be 17 days from now? For our suggested solution, each week, or for every week, we have 7 days. Therefore, if we divide 17 by 7, we have 2, remainder 3. 3 days from Thursday, so we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. Hence, 17 days from now, if today is Thursday, will be Sunday. Question number 12. What is the perimeter of the figure shown on the right? So we have a figure with 12 centimeters on one side, 10 centimeters on the other, and then we have 8 centimeter segment parallel to the 12 centimeter segment. Also 6 centimeter segment parallel to the 10 centimeter segment. So if we have a parallel segment to the 10 centimeter, that is 6, then the segment that forms right angle with the 12 centimeter segment is 4 centimeters. Also, that segment forming right angle with the 10 centimeter segment will be equal to 4 centimeters, because we have a segment that is 8 centimeters parallel to the 12 centimeter segment. Hence, the perimeter will be the sum of all the lengths of the segments forming the figure. So we have P is equal to 12 plus 10 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4. So the perimeter will be equal to 44 centimeters. Question number 13. In rectangle ABCD, AB is equal to 12 centimeters and the area is 60 centimeters. What is the length of AB in centimeters? For our suggested solution, let us draw the figure. We have rectangle ABCD. Let us name the vertices as A, B, C, D. And we're given that AD is equal to 12 centimeters. AB is what we are looking for, and the area is 60 centimeters. We know that in a rectangle, the area is equal to the length times the width. So if AD is the length, then we have AB as the width. Area is 60 and AD is equal to 12. Then we can solve for the length of AB. AB will be equal to 60 divided by 12, and that is equal to 5. Therefore, AB is equal to 5 centimeters. Question number 14. How many digits can we replace at symbol with so that the 4-digit number 20 at symbol 0 would be smaller than 2018? If at is equal to, or if the symbol at is equal to 2, then the number will already be 2020 or 2020, which is greater than 2018 already. Therefore, only the digits 0 and 1 can replace the at symbol so that the number will be smaller than 2018. So there are 2 digits. Question number 15. A light flashes every 6 minutes and a bell rings every 8 minutes. If the light flashes as the bell is ringing, how many minutes must elapse before this reoccurs? From the given information, we are looking for the LCM or the least common multiple of 6 and 8. Let us use the continuous division method to find the LCM of 6 and 8. 6 and 8 can be divided by 2, so 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Hence, the LCM of 6 and 8 is equal to 2 times 3 times 4, and that is equal to 24. So it would take 24 minutes. Question number 16. What is the difference between the LCM and GCF of 5, 10, and 35? For our suggested solution, let us use the continuous division method to find the LCM and GCF of 5, 10, and 35. 5, 10, and 35 can be divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, 10 divided by 5 is 2, 35 divided by 5 is 7. Hence, the GCF of 5, 10, and 35 is 5, and the LCM is equal to 5 times 1 times 2 times 7, that is equal to 70. So the LCM and the GCF have a difference of 65. Number 17. How many positive divisors has 60 excluding 1 and 60? For our suggested solution, let us list all the factors or divisors of 60. And these are 1 times 60 2 times 30. Then we have 3 times 20. Then we have 4 times 15. Also 5 times 12. And then we have 6 times 10. 60 cannot be divided by 7, 8, or 9. The next is 10, and we already have it in the list. Therefore, there are 12 divisors of 60, or 12 positive divisors of 60. If we exclude 1 and 60, we will have 10 positive divisors of 60, excluding 1 and 60. Another solution is to get the prime factorization of 60, and that is equal to 2 squared times 3 times 5. To get the number of positive divisors of 60 is to multiply the exponents plus 1, or 1 more than the exponent of each prime factors of 60. So we have 2 as the exponent of 2, a prime factor of 60, that is 2 plus 1 times the exponent of 3 is 1, so we have 1 plus 1. The exponent of 5, another prime factor, is 1, so we have 1 plus 1. Therefore, we have 3 times 2 times 2, and that is equal to 12. All these positive divisors include 1 and 60. So if we exclude 1 and 60, we'll have 10 positive divisors of 60. Number 18. What is the value of 4 plus 2 tenths plus 4 over 1,000? For our suggested solution, let us rewrite all the addends as a fraction with denominator 1,000. 4 is 4,000 over 1,000. Plus 2 over 10 is 200 over 1,000. And then we have 4 over 1,000. Now we can simply add because we have similar fractions. So we have 4,204 over 1,000, which can be simply converted to decimal as 4.204 or 4 and 204 thousandths. Question number 19. What should be added to 1/2 to give 5/8? Let n be the number to be added to 1/2. So we have 1/2 plus n equals 5 over 8. Then we need to subtract 1/2 from 5/8. We have n is equal to 5/8 minus 1/2. LCD is 8. Then we have 5. 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 1. So we have 4. Hence, n is equal to 1/8. Or 1/8 must be added to 1/2 to get 5/8. Number 20. Instead of multiplying a number by 1/4, I multiplied it by 1/8 and got 2. What number was I originally supposed to get as a result? Since the number is multiplied by 1/8 and obtain 2, then to get the number, we can divide 2 by 1/8. So that is 2 divided by 1/8. Hence, we have 2 times 8 over 1. Then that is equal to 16. Hence, 16 was supposed to be multiplied by 1/4. And 16 times 1/4 is equal to 4. Therefore, the number that was originally supposed to get as a result is 4. Number 21. What is the value of 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 2/3 plus 2/4 plus 3/4? For our suggested solution, let us rewrite the given information with the same denominator being added together first. So we have 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 2/3 plus 1/4 plus 2/4 plus 3/4. So this is equal to 1/2 plus 3/3. 1/3 plus 2/3 is 3/3 plus 6/4. So we have 1/2. 3 over 3 is 1. 6 over 4 is 1 and 1/2. Therefore, final answer is equal to 3. 1/2 plus 1 and 1/2 is 2 plus 1. That is 3. Number 22. What is the product of 1 and 1/3 times 1 and 1/2? Multiplying mixed fractions or mixed number, we first convert the mixed number into improper fraction. 1 and 1/3 times 1 and 1/2. 1 and 1/3 is equal to 4/3, and 1 and 1/2 is equal to 3/2. Therefore, 3 over 3 is equal to 1, and 4 over 2, that is equal to 2. So 1 and 1/3 times 1 and 1/2 is equal to 2. Number 23. What is the value of 3/4 plus 5/2 times 3/4? So we have 3/4 plus 5/2 times 3/4. Following the order of operation, we do multiplication over addition. Hence, we have 3/4 plus the product of 5/2 and 3/4 is 15 over 8. We have LCD as 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2 times 3, that is 6, plus 15. Hence, the final answer is 21 over 8. Number 24. The rectangle shown on the right has length 11 and width 7. What is the area of the shaded part? From the given information, the length of the rectangle is 11 and the width is equal to 7. Hence, the height of the unshaded triangle is equal to 7. The area of the triangle is 1/2 the area of the rectangle. Hence, the area of the shaded part is equal to the area of the triangle. So we have area is equal to 1/2 times the base times the height of the rectangle. And that is equal to 77 over 2 squared units. Or that is 38.5 square units. Number 25. Given that 1/3 is equal to 0.3 bar and 1/2 is equal to 0.5, what is the value of 1/2 plus 1/3? From the given information, 1/2 plus 1/3 is equal to 0.3 bar, that can be written as 0.33 plus 0.5, so that is equal to 0.83 with repeating 3 in the decimal. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Part 2 will be uploaded next to this video. Please subscribe for more math contest drills for Filipino Kids videos.